Welcome back to another walk around and test drive video here at Coyote Classics. It's 67 degrees here. It's December 16th. Kind of crazy for Iowa, but we're gonna be going around and test driving this 1984 Chevy C10 Restomod. I absolutely fell in love with this truck. Great look, subs, great sound system, big block under the hood. Just a cool jump in and go truck.
It is, and you can tell the guy built it just to turnkey and drive it, didn't he?
Yep. Restoration was done about 8,000 miles ago. Also fairly fresh, and it's enough miles to get all the bugs worked out and make sure it's 100% ready to go.
Yeah, that's a good point. So many of these restorations might have been 2-3 years ago, but only have 400 or 500 miles, not even hardly break-in miles on them. And there's always a lot of things that they need. You know, this one's, everything's done. It's got some pretty sweet wheels on it too. And look at that engine compartment. 396 headers, power steering, power disc brakes.
400 horsepower.
Is it about 400? It sounds like it too. Sweet, huh?
Runs like a top. I went in, tapped the key, fired right up.
Wow. It's got awesome dual exhaust on it as well. Go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. You'll see all the undercarriage photos as well. So very, very solid truck underneath. Just, man, that big block sounds nasty.
Yeah, it does.
It's got beautiful paint on it as well. Very nice decals on the side. This whole car has the truck has a beautiful theme to it. The red and black interior. It's got the leather seats, console, subwoofers in it. It's a beautiful sound system, automatic. The dash is perfect. The dash pad's all been restored. Inside the truck's all been painted. The visors. Looks like it has tilt wheel over there. New carpet. Very, very professionally done. Like I said, very good sound system in the back. Retractable seat belts for safety. Power windows and locks. All done on a rust-free truck. I mean, the corners of the doors are perfect. Cab corners, excellent. There's a little tiny little ding here, not a scratch, but just a little ding right there.
And then the bumpers, door handles, mirrors, those are refinished in a Mercedes-Benz metallic silver.
Nice. Great looking look to this truck.
And these, you know, mid-80s square body trucks are really shooting up in value.
Well, it's that generation, you know, it's my generation, people that were born in the early 70s. I mean, this is what they drove to high school.
That's just a cool body style.
Yeah, they are a good looking truck.
Nowadays, everything, you know, everything kind of looks the same and it's all rounded.
Yeah, whether it's a Ford or Chevy or Dodge, you can't really tell. Yeah.
It's a cool truck.
I like they put a little spoiler on the front and, you know, rolled that back roll pan on the back. And there's just no disappointment in this truck. I mean, the way it looks, sounds, drives.
Like I said, the guy built it and he drove it and enjoyed it. You know, so as you go around, you might see a few little chips here and there, a few scuffs on the wheels, but when you buy this truck to get behind the wheel, hear that big block rumble.
Yeah, it's fantastic. US mags, suspension, everything's really nice on it. The paint has a gorgeous shine. I mean, Tim did a beautiful job buffing it out like we do every car here at Coyote Classics. I even like that the 396 emblem's done in that kind of that charcoal look. Cowl hood, glass is excellent, windshield's nice, rubbers are new, felts are all new. The same thing here. I mean, what a beautiful restoration. Let's take this thing for a drive. And how about the seats? I mean, they form around you so you don't slide around. We kind of mentioned that in our videos with these newer seats. I mean, the bolsters just, yeah, they fit really good on you.
Look, check out these gauges. Yeah, I haven't been behind the wheel yet.
No, I haven't.
Those gauges are sick.
Yeah. So it's got 84,000 miles on the truck. All the gas gauge, temp, oil, volt, everything works. It's idling about 700, 600 RPM.
Every scene. My friends try to cheer me up. I get together at the Pizza Hut.
It's got a good bass too.
You're gonna want to drive this truck,
I
right?
ain't shitting you. I like it a lot. And the thing I like about this truck is it was, you know, it's a little custom, but it was tastefully done.
Yeah.
You know, they didn't go overboard with it, get all goofy. They very tasteful, stayed with the theme. Turned out beautifully.
Power windows work perfect. Heater works. We won't need that today. Yeah, those gauges are super cool. Very, very nicely done.
Can't believe the weather today. It's kind of crazy. Feels like springtime. Then tomorrow's supposed to be high of like 30 degrees.
This weekend, yeah, it's gonna get super cold this weekend too.
That's Iowa for you.
This thing idles so nice. You get up to a stop sign, in gear, 500 RPM. Doesn't miss a beat. Doesn't need anything as far as a tune.
I like them gauges a lot. LED headlights in the front as well. Wipers work.
Does have the tilt. Sweet truck. Dalton picked this one out and bought it. And at first I'm like, nah, I'm not a huge truck guy, but this thing is sweet, guys.
We don't buy many trucks. So, you know, when we buy a truck, you know, it's because we like it. We like the quality.
We just bought that 1966. That's already been sold. So, I mean, that lasted like 2 days on the website.
Yeah, just put that on YouTube this morning.
Very, very good, tasteful. Both trucks are tastefully done.
And both a little different. You know, one was restored kind of back to stock. This one was restored to drive and enjoy and be a Restomod.
This thing throws you back.
Yeah, it does.
Transmission's awesome.
How about that suspension too? Just notice when we go over the bridge, so many of these trucks are rattly. You know, this just kind of floats.
It's awesome. 2,400 RPMs at 71 mile an hour. 2,300 going down the road. One finger on the wheel. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah, it is.
The 76, according to my speedometer.
Like you said, it feels like you're riding in a newer truck. You know, suspension feels good.
Here's 60 mile an
Air's
hour.
tight.
1,700. So it's going to get good gas mileage even with this 396 under the hood.
Yeah. It's a cruiser. It's not a big hot rod. You know, it's something that you can drive every day.
Absolutely sweet. As far as our four-wheel disc brakes go, I mean, those things are going to stop you on a dime. There's absolutely no pull left or right. Great truck, guys. Buy this with confidence. Everything's working excellent on the truck, and just a great looking truck.
Yeah. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com.